Welcome to Crypto Gems. In today's video, we are going to take a closer look at the NFT known as Lil Ballers. We are going to study what it is all about, how it's going to work eventually, its roadmap, and all of that fun stuff. All the links will be mentioned in the description box below, so feel free to check them out. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe to stay notified about all of the cryptocurrency videos we are going to upload on this channel. This video is not a financial advice. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only. So please do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrencies out there. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so this is the website of Lil Ballers and you can access it by going to lilballers.info. As per the website, it has 824 unique Lil Ballers NFT on the Polygon blockchain. You can click over here to mint yours, and we're going to click over here just to view the collection that they offer. Over here, you're going to see all the NFTs that are available. You can also see the price that you kind of have to pay to purchase a particular NFT. You can access it by going to OpenSea, which is where all the NFTs would be created. You can buy some and own some and keep it for yourself, just if you really like to collect NFTs, or you can do it for investment reasons as well. So they do have quite a good collection of all of them, and they actually look quite interesting. Let's check out this guy over here. So the current price of this NFT is 0.1 Ethereum, which would be approximately $441.81. You can buy with a card or you can make an offer by going over here. Now going back to the website, let's take a look at the roadmap of the company. So in the Q4 of 2021, the aim was to launch the project, the smart contract on the Polygon blockchain, and there were Twitter giveaways that were conducted. They built this website and they established a Discord server. And then we're going to have an airdrop, which is Q1 of next year, and the airdrop owners with a companion NFT collection. Next, in the Q2 of 2022, the smart payment contracts will be implemented to share marketplace royalties with Lil Ballers NFT owners. And then there would be something known as Metaverse in the Q3 of 2022 and beyond, where they're going to establish a home in the Metaverse for Lil Ballers NFT owners, and there would be integration of NFT into the Metaverse. If you still have any more questions about this project, you can always DM them on Twitter and chat with them. So basically what they're doing is they are building value with NFT features. How they are doing is that they are utilizing smart contract technology to create a new kind of collectible and build value with evolving rewards for owners. And the goal is to provide a learning experience with a product you're proud to own in a community that you enjoy being a part of. So one Lil Baller would cost 24 Matic, and there would be a small gas fee as well. You can click over here to connect to the Polygon network and go about the process. Now let's take a look at the Twitter page of the account. This is the Twitter page of Lil Ballers, and it likes to call itself as a collection of 824 Lil Ballers on the Polygon blockchain, and it was born in September 2022. So this project is very new. Like literally it was launched 8 days ago, so it's still in its very early stages, and it has 148 followers and it's following 12 people. And here they're going to just update you about what they're planning to do about the project and how they plan to go about it. So overall, I would like to summarize everything that we mentioned in this video. There will be 2 free airdrop collections on the way for the owners, and there'll be royalty sharing smart contract that is still being developed, and they would eventually plan to purchase land in Sandbox Metaverse to build a meetup spot, and basically that's where you're gonna sell and airdrop voxel NFTs. So that's a little bit about the project, and I'm really excited to see how it turns out. To conclude, I would say that it does look promising because since the project is still in like very early stages, if you would like to own some of these NFTs, you can actually go ahead and make a purchase and just invest in it for the long term and see how the investments grows. Since it's very early, there is a potential for you to make a lot of money in the long run. But again, this is not financial advice, so please do your own research before doing any sort of investment. And that's all for now, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Again, all the links will be mentioned in the description box below, so feel free to check them out. If you do have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.